Hey everybody, my name is Matt Bryant. I'm with Pace Reps out of Fairburn, Georgia. And if you're a Rationale Self-Cooking Center owner, I'd like to share with you some information today on a really cool way to cook pasta in the sauce from just a raw pasta state. It's really cool, will save you a tremendous amount of time, and I think you'll really find it interesting and helpful to you. Let's do it. So here we have our elbow macaroni with half and half milk and water. And I have used what I had handy, which was some Velveeta type cheese, but you can certainly use your cheese sauce that you get. Over here, I'm using a penne type pasta with a tomato based sauce with some water mixed in. And so we're gonna take this and we're going to allow you, using the Rationale Self-Cooking Center, to cook all of this together. Okay, so coming over to the unit, we're going to select the vegetable and side items button, which will take us to several choices, one of which is pasta and sauce. So when we press this, we can simply press the middle button. That'll give us a cook time of 15 minutes. We're going to close the door, let the unit start preheating, and it'll let us know when it's ready to load. So we'll come back in just a minute to do that. Okay, so the unit is fully up to temp. We're going to pop the door, let the primary amount of steam escape. It will be hot, so be careful. Then we're ready to load our pans individually. And then we're going to take our core temperature probe and store it right here. And we're simply going to bury that deep into one of the pans of pasta. We're going to close the door and it'll take off and go from there, and it'll buzz to let us know when it's done. Okay, so we're back. So at this point, what I would typically do with the pasta bake is to just take whatever type of cheese blend I might have, or it could be all straight grated mozzarella, and we simply spread that evenly over the top. We're going to take this and put it into the combi in combi mode for just a couple of minutes, just to melt that cheese on the top, give it a nice gooey top and a nice look. We have just pulled the pasta bake out of the combi, and it's all nice melty cheesy on top. And so we're gonna just serve up a little bit of this, let you see how nice that comes out. And again, this is super tender pasta that you've got here. You can literally tell when you look at it just how tender that pasta is. And then over here we have our mac and cheese. And again, just look at that. Just like Mom's mac and cheese, super good. So I hope that this has been something useful for you. I certainly hope you'll give it a try one day in one of your schools. I think you'll find it to be a tremendous labor saver while giving you a nice high quality product for the kids. And know that we're here to support you any way that we can. Appreciate you taking a look today and being with us. Hope you have a great day.